So, guys, in today's machine learning video, I am telling you about the machine learning. Okay, machine learning means we are learning some things. Okay, so this video is about that. So please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now I know it do not take you a long time, so let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's machine learning video, I'm telling about the learning is a loop, so let's start. Now, learning is looping. An ML model is trained by looping over data multiple times. For each iteration, the weight values are adjusted. Training is complete when the iteration fails to reduce the cost. Train me to find the line of best fit. 10, 100 times, 200 times, 300 times or 500 times. Gradient descent. Gradient descent is a popular algorithm for solving AI problems. A simple linear regression model can be used to demonstrate a gradient descent. The goal of a linear regression is to fit a linear graph to a set of x, y points. This can be solved with a math formula, but a machine learning algorithm can also solve this. This is what example above does. It starts with the scatter plot and linear model y equals to wx plus b. Then it trains the model to find a line that fits the plot. This is done by illustrating the weight slope and the bias intercept of the line. Below is the code for a trainer object that can be solve this problem and many other problems. A trainer object. Create a trainer object that can be take any number of x, y values in the two arrays x array, y array. Set weight to 0 and bias to 1. A learning constant learning has to be set and cost variable must be defined. For example, like there is one example here, you can see it. And this example, it's not for running, but let me tell you how to run it. First of all, open your Google and then wrote here Replit. And then when I go on to the Replit, so now let me open my Node.js file. And when my Node.js is loading like that, when it has been loaded, so paste this code like here. When you can run it. So now, when you run, so it give me like Node.js, then it is giving me the syntax error. So please, then let me tell you, please tell me what is error in this code. So then it has been giving me this error it's giving you. So now let me see. Okay, these type of error it is giving you when I run it now. So now it is not giving me the error. Now here you can see it. This code is not for running. Okay, and it gave me a complete code with output. So now let's see, it give me the complete code with output. Let's see it. Yeah, it is giving me. If I run it, final weight like that, and final blast, final scores and predicted price, it has been giving me like that. Now, cost function. A standard way to solve a regression problem is with an cost function that measures how good the solution is. The function uses the weight and bias from the model y equals to wx plus b and returns an error based on how well the line fits a plot. The way to compute this error is to loop through all xy points in the plot and sum the square distance between the y value of each point and the line. The cost conventional way is to square the distance to ensure positive values and make the error function differentiably. And if I copy this code, and if I paste this code like here, so we run this in the last of the video. Another name for the cost function is error function. The formula used in the function is actually this. Okay, E is the error cost, N is the total number of observation points, Y is the value label of each observation, X is the value feature of the A of each observation, M is the slope weight, B is the intercept bias. mx plus b is the prediction. Equals to star is the squared mean value, the train function. We will now run a gradient descent. The gradient descent algorithm will walk the cost function towards the baseline. Each iteration should update both m and b towards a line with a lower cost error. To do that, we add a train function that loops over all the data any times. Like if I copy it and if I paste it. An updated weights function. The train function above should update the weights and biases in each iteration. The direction to move is calculated using the two partial derivatives like that, and then I paste it. Create your own library code, like this one library code has been showing you, and I copy it, and when I paste it here, and when I do that, and when I say please tell me what is error in this code and give me complete code with the output. Now it give me like the output and all the complete code like that. Here you can see it. And if I go here and if I paste it and if I run it, so it is giving me final weight 0.0992 and like final bias, final score and predicted price like that. Here you can see it. So here you can see you can do it by very easily as, and here you can see it, and then you can run it and like that is coming, and let me show you the output. Like final weight is coming like 0.92294522340777698. Final bias 1.0021599999935228267. Final cost 0.44753595378468386, and predicted price is coming like 12.53897529194995. Here you can see like that is coming predicted price. Like if you plus these final weight, final bias and final cost, so the predicted prices come like that. Here you can see it. So here you can see it. In today's video, I told you about machine learning, and machine learning not, I told you about the learning a loops. Okay, like that I have learning is looping. Here you can see it. Machine learning I have told you, here you can see it. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share your friends and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And I appreciate your support through, and if you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. And if you haven't checked my whole playlist yet, so move on to decodewithpk.com on my YouTube channel so you can easily just access it and bookmark it also. So now I'm using next class and next very amazing class like that type of video. And if you don't know how to bookmark the playlist, so first of all you go on to the YouTube, and when you go on to the YouTube you can search here codewithpk, and you click onto the code with PK, then click onto the playlist, and when you click onto the playlist, click onto the this artificial intelligence and machine learning playlist, and first of all like this video and then open this playlist. And if you open this playlist, then what you can do, let me tell you, you can first of all bookmark it from here, and if you bookmark it, then you can access it and see all the videos. Okay, there are 11 videos has been come. Okay, so 11 videos has been coming. So now here you can see it. Now our very few videos are left of the artificial intelligence. Till now we are completed 11 videos. Okay, so here you can see it. So now I'm using next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.